Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts in English. I hope you will like them. If you like the video, please like and share it. You can also get paragraphs, letters, stories, poems and quotes of many different inspirational personalities. Now let's start our motivational quotes. Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is achieved. In a day when you don't come across any problem, you can be sure that you are traveling in a wrong path. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. Learning is the only thing that never fails. The end and aim of all education is the development of character. A fool may buy all the books in the world and they will be in his library, but he will be able to read only those that he deserves to. We want education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Desire, ignorance, and inequality. This is the trinity of bondage. The only way to do good work is to love what you do. Thank you.